Okay.
So the presentation is here, aerospace navigation and Stripe. So first comes our automation direction finder. So this is a device that is situated on the ground, and it signals the airplane, and the pilot uses to define the boundary of the landing on the airport. And by utilizing subsequent guide, two lights may be attracted to find the plane at the converge of the line. ADF instrument help us to beeline the signal, and following the needle is a terrible place. So this is the first type, ADF. The second is non-directional beacons. Non-directional beater generally gives incorrect readings, but they utilize large frequencies, and non-directional beakers entered certain nation with generally not many navigation guides. So the applications where it is used in avionic test, especially in hardware. So you can see it's a HIL system. It's consisting of output, and there's a LAN connected to it. So there's avionics situated in it that provide a dynamic environment to be operated. So HL testing of avionics can range from mockup of the cockpit, such as flight simulator, or it can stimulate environments such as engine or power system dynamics. Okay, and similar data are fed to the system under the test. So a real-time processor run the mathematical model of the dynamic under it's connected, and control system is various numerous analog and dynamic channels. Second is the VFF omnidirectional radio range WAR. WAR is more complex framework, and yet it is used in air route framework, laid off airplane flying under IFR in those nations in with numerous navigational guides. In this framework, our reference point provides an extraordinary tweak signals which comprises of two sine waves, out of which the stage distinction compared to the genuine bearing comparative in the north, and can decide the specific bearing from the stations. A war which is situated with a DME is a part of a TechN. So this is the second part, that is a VHF omnidirectional radio range, VOR. It is also used as a ATC, that is air traffic control service. As you can see, there is a ACR that transmit aircraft data on the ground, and there is a GPS connected to the pilot that transmit the signals, and there is a radar that transmit the signal between the flight data and ATC. So this is the presentation. And before coming to the GNSS route, divine route was like utilized where private prepared guides on military planes and transport airplane the class of electro guides. At long last, an airplane might be directed from beginning observation data from an example of radar multi-direction. ATC can be the input data to the pilot assist with a in the ground. So ATC is the administration of the pilot is getting. So this is the presentation. Thank you for listening.